Hey folks, a warm one across the valley again today. No surprise in that. Temperatures today a lot like the last couple of days. We did set a record in McAllen. We'll talk about that in a bit. These are the currents. 91 Harlingen, 88 Port Isabel, 87 in Brownsville. Things will change though, and you can see it on Future Track. Overnight tonight, temperatures drop into the upper 70s. That's about it. A warm and humid night. That's where you start the day tomorrow, but don't be fooled. Throw the jacket in the back seat, because by the time you get to lunchtime, we're back in the 80s, probably touching the 90s in a few places, but here it comes, lurking just to the north, the first really significant cool front of the season. It works its way into the valley tomorrow afternoon. By 3 o'clock, it may be through much of the valley already, and temperatures will drop pretty quickly, it looks like. All the latest model runs are speeding the front up and making it pretty chilly. Temperatures falling into the 60s, and by the time you get to 6 o'clock, you're looking at some places perhaps already into the 50s. So you go to work in the morning, it's 80. You get off work in the evening, it's 60, maybe even cooler. And certainly for Friday night football, it's going to be cool. By the end of the game, temperatures in the 50s. This is a little more aggressive than what we're actually forecasting. We're going 50s, but maybe not low 50s. Still a very chilly night across the area compared to what we've seen the last 6 months. And then Saturday morning, we start in the 50s, and by afternoon, we have to work hard to get back into the 60s. So a very cool day on Saturday. All your outdoor activities, you're probably going to want a jacket for them, a light jacket at least, or a sweater. I think what rain is around on Saturday will probably be early, perhaps some brightening of the sky late in the day, but probably not much sunshine. 93 tomorrow, then only 66 on Saturday, and that 93 is the first half of the day. It will plummet when the front comes through, then we bounce back to 84 on Sunday. Satellite over the region show nothing today, and tonight it's quiet, but then during the daytime tomorrow, we start with some early sunshine, but here comes that front. Again, by middle of the afternoon, it's racing southward. By the end of the day, it's south of us. Clouds linger into tomorrow night, into Saturday. Could be some showers left over along the coast Saturday morning, but most of that should taper off by afternoon. I think we've got a mostly cloudy evening across the area. Still chilly temperatures into Sunday morning, but by Sunday afternoon, again, we bounce back into the 80s. 50% chance of some action tomorrow afternoon, showers and storms, mainly in the morning on Saturday. You're just talking about rain, light stuff, and then Sunday, maybe a brief shower. When the front turns around and comes back to the north, we get some moisture back in here. You can kind of make out the front. Here it is, right across here. And again, you can make it out here certainly, and the maps push it southward, and by tomorrow morning, it's almost here. We're still on the warm side at lunchtime, but after that front goes through, showers, a thunderstorm, and the clouds linger, and the whole state turns chilly. Look how the clouds go from here all the way up to almost Dallas tomorrow afternoon, and with that, it stays cool across the state. But as quickly as it cools off, the front turns around and comes back north as a warm front, and temperatures bounce right back once again. Just want to show you this very quickly. Not so much up here, but look at these numbers here. Denver is 26 right now. Yesterday at this time, they were 83. Front means business. 36 in Sioux Falls, 34 in Minot. Fall arriving, winter for some. So for us tonight, partly cloudy, warm and muggy, 77 for a low. Tomorrow, 93, but it turns much chillier for the second half of the day. Once that front comes in, temperatures will drop. Maybe one of those deals where we drop a quick 20 degrees, and then we just stay cool behind that. Saturday, about 66 for a high, and that may be optimistic. Could be a little cooler than that. Back to 84 on Sunday, and then we turn back into the 90s by Monday. So it's one shot of chilly air from tomorrow night into Sunday morning, and then we bounce back after that. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.